All right, so let's do the half square triangle demo. I'm going to start with my 2 quilt squares. I have a light value and a dark value one, and I'm going to put them right side to right side. I have a pencil and I have a ruler. With my ruler, I'm going to make a line, do it on the lighter side so we can see it, exactly across. I want to line these up real good. Exactly across on the diagonal. So make my line with pencil, looking pretty good. And now I'm gonna sew a line right here, 1/4 inch from this edge and 1/4 inch from this edge. So I'll have 2 seams on each side of my line. Okay, let's do it on the machine. All right, so I want to line up my line with the edge of the presser foot. That way I know it's going to be 1/4 inch seam allowance. Still put the needle down. And I'll sew all the way across, keeping the line exactly at the edge of the presser foot. Great. There's one nice seam. Now I'll do the exact same thing on the other side of the line. Edge of the presser foot. Needle down. So now I have 2 straight stitches on either side of the line that I've made. Let's cut it apart now and see what I have. Okay, here we go. I'm going to cut exactly on my line. Right sides to right sides, right? I can open it up now, and I have a lovely 2 triangles that I've put together. Same thing here, right? And so now I can start using these for my quilt squares. You will notice that it will make a little bit of a smaller square, and that's okay, right? Because you should have a 1/2 inch seam allowance with your other stuff, and so that'll take into account. I'm going to iron these really fast. I want to iron my back seams open, and I'll show you what that looks like. Here's the difference between one of my half square triangles open, right? The seam opened and pressed in the back, and this one has not been yet. So there's a pretty big difference in, how big they look. So I'm going to make sure that as I quilt my pieces together, I'm always ironing before I join any 2, okay? Here's my second one together. So I have a little bit of these seams that are coming up. That's fine, because when I go to sew 2 together, right, I'll sew right through that and it'll disappear into the seam allowance on the other side. All right. Thank you for watching. We'll turn in, you'll have 2 when you turn in your half square triangle on canvas.